Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Smart Art feature on Microsoft PowerPoint. Most of the people prepare the presentation by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft has a lot of template to make the presentation. In this presentation template, if they would like to add based on their creativity, it is possible to add by using Smart Art features. Let's learn how you can use the Smart Art feature on Microsoft PowerPoint. In my PowerPoint template, I would like to add the one more page. Then I have to add the some element. So I have to add the new slides. Then I have to remove this. This is also I don't want it. So this is I have to add the caption. Then I have to add the graphic for this page. So I have to go to insert. Under the illustration section, I have to click on the Smart Art. This will be open the Smart Art graphics window. Here a lot of design available. You can choose as you need. So I am choosing this one. You can resize the graphic. Okay, now I would like to add the image. Now I have to add the caption for the image. It will be automatically adjust for the font size based on our text length. So you can also change the color by select the art. Then you have to click on the Smart Art Design tab. Here they have provided the many designs. For example, if you would like to change the color, then you can choose. If you would like to change the style, then you have to go to here. They have provided a lot of 3D design. You can change as you need. I'm choosing this. So if you would like to change the design layout, then you can click on the layout section. Then you have to change what you need. You can also change the switch layout, text pan. You can also control the Smart Art design features by using Smart Art design section. So in this way you can add the Smart Art feature on your Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.